Hey everyone, welcome back. So this doesn't look familiar to you, but this is actually a trail that we started to do earlier this year and we got stormed out on. And there were 3 or 4 other cars here just a few minutes ago. Everybody's taken off because lo and behold, got another storm coming. And I checked the radar before I got here. It was absolutely perfect. And of course, you know, storms, they can blow up out of nowhere. But I made the drive up here. I'm gonna see if I can't do it. I'll actually show you down the trail a little ways where we got hung up and had to take shelter in that storm last time. So this is, I'm back in North Carolina, and this is gonna be Secret Falls. It's only, I don't even know, 3/4 of a mile down and about that back. And like I said, right now it's already looking and sounding like a pretty good storm, so we will see. All right, so right up here is literally where we took shelter last time. We ended up right about here, put a tarp up in the tree to escape the rain. I have literally made it as far as we made it last time, and the rain starts. It's so 30 minutes. And it's still raining. Good Lord. The only upside is this new pack has a really nice rain cover. Of course, you know, this aluminum foil tarp thing, it's wow. I was a little slow to getting it on, so I really don't see what the point is at this point. I don't know. I still believe the rain's gonna end. I'll check back in a few minutes. And what's blowing my mind is right now, on the radar, there is a green dot the size of a gnat fart over me. I mean, there's nothing here. But I mean, I've been here for more than a half hour for this little green dot. I mean, come on. You gotta be kidding me. I mean, the radar shows nothing. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna give it another 15 minutes, and if this is the end of the video, I apologize. If not, then we might see a waterfall, and after all this rain, might see a heck of a waterfall. Yeah. So again, I'll be right back. Well, would you look at that? 38 4/4 minutes later. I mean, it's still raining, but you know, not nearly as bad now. I'm wet everywhere. Bigfoot took half my tarp. I mean, Never mind, there's the other half. Okay, Bigfoot didn't do it, but still. Note to self, next time don't go cheap on a tarp or whatever you're using. But this served its purpose for the most part. So, let me grab this. Come here. Most of my backpack stayed dry. And I'm starting to see a lot lighter sky, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this hike. And I don't mind doing it in a little bit of rain. That way, if the rain comes back, we at least got the waterfall done. So, oh, come on. That wasn't a challenge. Heck with it. We're gonna keep going. Wow. I'm glad I waited out the rain. Everybody, we made it to Secret Falls finally. It was definitely worth waiting out the rainstorm, and I believe the rain really helped this falls. It looks like it's full capacity. It looks great right now, minus the fact that the water's a little murky, but you know, you can't really complain because it was worth it. It wasn't a long hike, wasn't extremely steep or anything like that. Of course, we still got to go out, but I think I'm going to call it quits here. I had intended to continue on, and do Scotsman Falls, which is to my east a little ways. But the additional half hour, 45 minutes of rain kind of messed my time up a little bit. So this is going to be it for today. I will say, definitely, we are still doing October 10th. We're going to be doing a big hike. It's going to be north of Helen. I've got about 5 waterfalls set out between Helen and Hiwassee, that stretch there. So if you enjoy the channel, follow along for that. Look forward to that. I'll be bringing a lot of shorts with those, and of course I'll have the videos up as quick as I can. But for now, this is going to be it. I appreciate everybody for following along. I'm going to head out, get dry clothes, and probably watch high school football tonight. So everybody, thank you for coming back. Love you all, and I will see you hopefully next week.